welcome to the event Knowledge Hunt. So this is the online event. So it consists of total of 4 rounds. So first round arrange them, second round guess the name, third round riddles, and fourth finally rapid fire. So without any further delay, so let us start. Isma, the next slide. So anyone from Salvatore can choose one color box. Hello, anyone from Salvatore?
Yellow.
Okay, Madhav. So Salvatores are going to have their first question. So from Salvatores, who is going to represent this round? Hello Salvatores, who is going to represent?
I will do Raja.
Okay. Titans. Hello from Titans, who is going to represent this round?
Raja, I will do Raja.
Okay. Okay, the guidelines are here. So one person from each team has to answer. The team will get 3 different questions. So you have given 30 seconds to answer. So if you answer within 30 seconds, you will get 10 points. So avoid multiple answers. Give straight one answer. So the first question for Team Salvatore. Yes, mother, next slide. Next slide. Yes, here is the first question for Team Salvatores. Arrange the planets in descending order according to their size. 1 Saturn, 2 Neptune, 3 Jupiter, 4 Uranus. Question for Team Salvatores. Arrange the planets in descending order according to their size. We have 10 seconds, so be quick. Team Salvatores, answer. So you ran out of time. Team Salvatores. Hello.
Yeah. Shall we say now? No.
No, okay, time up.
We have to
So
say before
within that,
completing time.
yes, okay. Within
Okay.
that time, you need to answer that. Yes,
Okay.
mother, answer please. So it is Jupiter. It is having the diameter of 69,000 something. So second is Saturn, third Uranus, and final Neptune. So now question for Team Titans. Yes, Madhav, next question. Arrange the oceans in ascending order according to their size. Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Question for Team Tyson. So be quick. You need to answer within that time. So you have 20 seconds. Team Titans. Please attend that. If you get wrong answer, no problem. So 5 seconds left.
Arctic,
Arctic,
Indian, Atlantic,
Indian.
and Pacific.
Second. Mother, answer please. Arctic, Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific Ocean. So Team Titans have given the correct answer. So 10 points. So next question for Team Salvatores. Arrange the following according to their year of launch. Older one to newer one. You need to arrange from older one to newer one. TVS Apache, TVS Jupiter, TVS Scooty, plus TVS Victor. Question for Team Salvatores. Older one to newer one. You can just say numbers also.
Plus Jupiter, Apache, Victor.
Apache Victor. You can see the answer. So you got the wrong answer. So the first one is TVS Vicar. It is launched in 2001. Scooty Peplus 2005. TVS Apache 2006 and TVS Jupiter in 2013. So we got the wrong answer. So question for Team Titans. Arrange the phones according to their year of launch. Newer one to older one. You need to arrange from newer one to older one. Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, Vivo. Question for Titans. You have 15 seconds. Answer please, Titans.
OnePlus. Hello.
So you
Okay,
ran
I
out
will.
of time,
Actually, I started now.
but when you started, it got end over the time up.
Okay.
So you can see the answer, Madhav.
Raja, when it was 1 second left, she said that Raja.
But you need to say the answer within that time, Darshan. 30 seconds. Realme in 2018, OnePlus 2013, Vivo 2009, and Oppo. It is manufactured in 2004. So Titans didn't give answer. So next question for Team Salvatores. Arrange the following phrases to form a meaningful sentence. Here you will get extra 30 seconds. So total 1 minute for answering this question. You can just say the numbers, say like A, B, C, D. You can say the order. Arrange the following phrases to form a meaningful sentence.
B, C, A, and D.
Okay, we can see. Madhav, answer. You got the wrong answer. It is B, A, C, D, C. The full sentence is the child was so spoiled by her indulged parents that she potted and became sullen when she did not receive all their attention. So wrong answer from Team Salvatores. So next question for Team Titans. Arrange, arrange the following phrases to form a meaningful sentence. Question for Team Titans. You can just say the num A, B, C, D in order. So you have 45 seconds.
C D B A. C
C,
B
D,
D A.
C,
C B
B,
D A.
D,
D
A.
A.
Yes, Madhav, answer. C, D, B, A. First you told the correct answer, but you have changed. It is C, D, B, A is the correct answer. Commercial energy consumption shows an increased trend and poses the major challenge for the future. So Team Titans have got the wrong answer. So 0 points. So this is the end of the first round. Yes, Madhav. Next slide. The second round is guess the name. You need to guess the name shown in the pictures. Yes, yes, Madhav. Team Titans, anyone color box?
Blue.
Blue.
Okay, Madhav. So Team Titans are going to play first. So yes, Madhav, next slide. So one person is allowed to answer. The team can get 3 different questions. So allowable time is 30 seconds. You need to answer within that time bound. So avoid multiple answers. So first question for Team Titans. Madhav. Yes, you need to connect these pictures and tell the name. You have 30 seconds left. Guess the name. Connect these pictures and guess the name. Team Titans. You have 15 seconds. 5 seconds left. Team Titans, any answer? So no answer from Team Titans. So 0 points. You can see the answer. Madhav? It is Sourav Ganguly. First one it is showing sowing the seed sow, and next one it is showing rowing. So row. Next one it is gang. So row gang, and it is his name is Lee. So Rogoro Ganguly is the correct answer. So next question for Team Salvatores. So connect these pictures. Question for Team Salvatores. You have 20 seconds. Be quick. Connect these pictures.
Airavat.
Airavat. Yes, Madhav, answer please. You got the correct answer. The first one is I. It is from I movie, and second one is Ra, and unit of power is watt. Airavat. Airavat is the correct answer. 10 points for Team Salvatores. So next question for Team Titans. So identify the personality shown in this picture. Question for Team Titans. Identify the person. So identify the person. You have 3 seconds
Ajim
left.
Premji. Ajim Premji.
Okay. Ajim Premji is the correct answer. So 10 points for Team Titans. So next question for Team Salvatore. Identify the person. Question for Team Salvatore. Identify the person. Question for Team Salvatore. You have 15 seconds left. Be quick. Salvatore. 5 seconds left. Identify the person. So you didn't get the answer. Answer, Madhav. So is Kailash Satyarthi, so Nobel Prize winner. So next question for Team Titans. So identify the personality. It is a childhood photo. You need to identify the personality. Question for Team Titans. Name the personality shown in the picture. Titans, you have 5 seconds left.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yes. Answer, Madhav. So he is Michael Jackson. So 10 points for Team Titans. So next question for Team Salvatore. Identify the person.
Narendra Modi.
Madhav, answer. Narendra Modi is the correct answer. So 10 points for Team Salvatore. So this is the end of the second round. So the third round is riddles, brainstorms. So anyone from Salvatore's, choose one color box. Salvatore,
A blue.
blue,
Light
Madhav,
blue.
light blue. So Salvatore are going to play first. The guidelines are only one person is eligible. The team can get 3 different questions, and here the times are changed. First 1 to 2 questions you will get 30 seconds. 3 and 4th question you will get 45 seconds. 5 and 6 you will get 60 seconds to answer. So avoid multiple answers. So first question for Team Salvatore. Next, Madhu. So, what has 13 hearts but no other organs? What has 13 hearts but
A deck
no
of
other?
cards.
A deck of cards. Madhu, answer. Correct answer. 10 points for Team Salvatores. Question for Team Titans. What has one eye but can't see? What has one eye but can't see? What has one eye but can't see? 9 seconds left. So 5 seconds.
An alphabet.
Alphabet, Raja.
Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Madhav, answer. A needle. A needle will have one eye for stitching, so it can't see. So wrong answer from Team Titans. So 0 points. Next question for Team Salvatores. Poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. What is it? Question for Team Salvatores.
Nothing.
Nothing. Answer, Madhav. Nothing is the correct answer. So 10 points for Team Salvatores. So next question for Team Titans. I have no feet, no wings, but I climb to the sky. What am I? I have no feet, no wings, but I climb to the sky. What is it? 30 seconds left. Question for Team Titans. "15 seconds left. I have no feet, no wings, but I climb to the sky. Who am I?" So Titans, 5 seconds left.
Volcano. Volcano.
Smoke.
Huh? So one
Smoke.
answer.
Smoke, Raja.
Smoke. We can see. Madhav. Smoke is the correct answer. 10 points for Team Titans. So next question for Team Salvatores. You have me today. Tomorrow you will have more. As your time passes, I am not easy to store. I don't take up space, but I am only in one place. I am what you saw, but not what you see. What am I? Question for Team Salvatore. You have 35 seconds left. So 25 seconds left. What am I? 15 seconds left. Question for Team Salvatores. Any answer?
Memories.
Yes. Madhav. Memories is the correct answer. So 10 points for Team Salvatores. So next question for Team Titans. Some will use me, others will not. Some have remembered, while others have forgot. For profit or gain, I am used expertly. I can't be picked off the ground and tossed into the sea. Only gained from patience and time. Can you unveil my rhyme? What am I? Question for Team Titans. So 15 seconds left. Question for Team Titans.
Raja, knowledge.
Yes, we can see the answer. Madhu? Yes, it's the knowledge. Correct answer from Team Titans. So Team Titans have 10 points. So on last and final round, round 4 rapid fire. So next slide, Madhu. So one from Team Titans. You can choose one color box.
Black.
Black. So Team Titans is going to play first. So we can see guidelines. One person has to say the answer. So one team can get set of 10 different questions. So you need to say the answers to 10 different questions in 60 seconds. So if you get the wrong answer, we will take 5 points. If you get the correct answer, we will award 10 points. So there will be 10 different questions. You need to say the question number and answer. So that we can note down the correct answers. So first set of questions for Team Titans. Yes, Madhav. Time starts now. So you need to say the question number and answer.
Raja, first question.
First,
Mangiferous indica.
Mangifera indica. Be quick. So you are
Third
left
question,
with
Disper.
Disper.
Hello, Raja. Third question, Disper.
Next. So be quick.
10th question, 22 March.
22 March. Next.
9th question,
Ninth
Ram
Ram Charan.
Ram Charan. Next.
4th, NaHCO3.
NaLCO3.
NaH.
Okay. Fifth question. So
8 Nike.
that is end of your time. So you have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions.
Raja, I
5
told 8 question also before ending. Hello.
Hello.
Eight.
Okay. 8th question. Nike. So first one is Mangifera indica, as you told. So 10 points for Titans. So second you didn't attend. So the leading wicket taker is Arshal Patel with 32 wickets in this IPL. So Assam Dispur you told correct, 10 points. So chemical formula for baking soda NaHCO3 you got the correct answer. So 10 points. Who is known as Deshabandhu? You didn't get the answer. Chittaranjan Das. So 6th one you didn't told. 7th one you didn't told. So 8th you told Nike, 10 points. So brand ambassador of Hotstar, Ram Charan, 10 points. So World Water Day is observed 22 March. So 10 points. So total you have given 6 correct answers, 60 points. So 60 points for Team Titans. So next set of questions for Salvatores. So use time starts now. So just say the question number and answer. Team Salvatores.
First one is 8th September.
8th September.
Shillong. Fourth one is Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
9th one is Little Master. 10th one is Little Master. Sorry, MS Swaminathan. 10th one is Father Green Revolution.
Okay, Swaminathan. Next. You have 15 seconds left. Be quick. Just say the question number and answer.
Na2CO3, washing soda.
Okay.
Apple's logo is Think Different. 7th one. 9th one is Sachin. Second one is Sanju Samson.
So time up. So 7th one, Think Different. Okay, you have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions you have attempted. So we can see the answers. So first one is 8th September. You got the correct answer. So 10 points. So second one you told after the timeout. So Sanju Samson, no points. So third one you didn't attempt. Shillong Meghalaya 10 points for that. So chemical formula, you got the correct answer. So 10 points. So sixth one you didn't answer, so no points. Seventh one slogan think different, you got correct answer, 10 points. So who is little master? You told Sachin Tendulkar. It is Sunil Gavaskar. So minus 5 points. So father of Green Revolution, MS Swaminathan. So 10 points. So total you have given 5 correct answers and 1 wrong answer. So 45 points for Team Salvatores. So this is the end of the round 4 and the end of the event. So thank you. So since